food do kids love to eat more than anything in the world? Ketchup. So I've made a little take on ketchup, beet ketchup. It's a great way to get a different kind of veggie into your kids. I've already sauteed 1 onion thinly sliced until it browned, and then I added shredded beets from 1 beet, some ginger, which is optional because I know it's not everybody's favorite, but I really like it in this. And then also 3/4 cup of water. And you want to saute it until the water is fully gone. And then you'll end up with this. And now we're going to put it into our food processor, and I'm going to add balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and just a touch of salt. You don't really need a lot here. All right. That's the texture you want. And just scrape it out and serve it up. When you're mixing it up, you could also add something like parsley just to give it a little bit more gusto. But it's beautiful in color and really delicious to eat, especially with fries. I really love the texture in this. I think it's my favorite thing. It works really well as a ketchup, but it's also more versatile. You can use it as a dip or a sandwich spread. I think adding some herbs to it and definitely some fresh ground pepper would really liven it up a bunch. I also really love to buy them when they still have the greens on the stalk because the greens are so good. They kind of cook up like spinach does, really soft and tender, and they're delicious. So if you can, get your beets with the greens attached. Even if you're not a fan of beets, you should give this a try because I've been able to convert quite a few people with this recipe. And definitely let us know what you think of beets.